Instructed as Janvi as instructed.
As instructed, take the greatest number in each.
Okay, thank you so much, Janvi. Thanks for reading this question. Now, the question is, we have to use the following digit cards. Digit cards means we have three numbers here, 2, 3 and 4. These are the four numbers. First is 2, second is 3 and third number is 4. Now we have to use these three digits, okay, and then we have to make the greatest number. We have to make the greatest number by using these three digits, okay, fine. Now before we'll start making the greatest number, we have to look at the hints, okay, and according to the question we have to form the number. All right, Pradiksha, what is the first bit? Read that. 3. It's written here. 3. What is this? Read this, Pradiksha.
As
3 at. Please read it again. Huh? Hundreds.
300 rupees.
No, Pradiksha. HUNDRES is 100. Pradiksha, P is not there. That is PLACE, place. What is that?
Place.
So the question is 3 at hundreds place. You need to do. Yeah, Pradiksha, you need to do more reading practice. The question is 3 at hundreds place. Okay, first of all, you all should know which number is in hundreds place, which is at tens and which is at ones. Okay, suppose I am writing here a 3-digit number. Children, look at your screen. This is for an example. Okay, let us suppose the number is, okay, this is the number. Now the number is, Vineet, please look at your screen. Okay, so the number is 4, digits are 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Now, if I talk about this number, how we will read this number, Siddharth? What is this number? 4, 5, 6. How you will read it?
456.
Yeah, very good. So this is 456. So what do? We always start from left side. So we will write here ones, then tens, and then comes hundreds. Okay, what I said, first ones, then tens, and then hundreds. We always move from right to left, from right to left. Okay, so 6 is at which place? If I talk about number 456, 6 is at ones place. 6 is at ones place. You can see here above this 6, O is written. Then we have 5. 5 is at which place? 5 is at tens place because T is written there. And then we have 4. 4 is at which place? 4 is at hundreds place. Okay. So this is how you try to figure out the place of a particular digit in a number. Okay. Now let us write one more number here. Let us say the next number is this. Vineet, please read this number.
Number, ma'am. Up number 3, 2, 1.
And how you will read this 3, 2, 1? What is this? Which number is this?
1, 3, 4.
And how you will read 1, 3, 4?
ఈ పూటకు ఎప్పుడు పోదామన్న సమాచారం ఇస్తలేదు మన దొంగ మనకను 1, 3, 4. ఎప్పుడు పోదాం ఒక్కొక్కటి ప్లే చేసుకుంటాను పండుగలు ఎట్లా సమానం ఉండాలి ఈయన ఉంటాడు నా చేతలేనవి ఊకుంటానే బాగా కామలుతాడు ఊకుంటాడు.
Vineet, now pay attention and listen carefully. Ketan? Ketan, are you there? Vineet, I'll come back to you. Listen properly. Ketan, tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Read this 3, 2, 1. How you will read this 3, 2, 1?
301.
Please look at that question again.
321.
How you will read 3, 2, 1?
321.
302, 1. Okay, Ketan, tell me, how do you read 2, 1? 2, 1 is?
2 and 21.
So what will be the number? 3, 2, 1 is?
321 is
what you said earlier?
321.
And how you will read this number 3, 2, 1?
321.
Ashrita, you tell. Ketan, you listen carefully now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashrita, read this number 3, 2, 1.
What, ma'am?
How you will read this 3, 2, 1?
321.
Very good, Ashrita. Very good. That's the correct way of reading the number. Ketan, this is 321. Very good, Ashrita. What is that, Ketan?
321.
What is the next number? 134. How you will read 134?
134.
Again, you are saying 3, 4. Is this the correct way?
No, ma'am.
Then what will be the answer?
134.
134.
134.
Vineet, have you understood how to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vineet, now you tell me what is, like how you will read this number. Yeah. 367.
137.
367.
367.
How you will read 367? You were looking here and there. You were talking constantly. You did not keep your mouth shut even for 1 minute, Vineet. And I told you clearly, please listen carefully. Then also, how you will learn? Is this the right way? I'm telling you constantly, listen carefully. Then also, you were talking with someone. Arhan, you tell me how you will read this 367. We need now listen carefully. Vineet, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan, tell me how you will read this 367.
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, read 367. How you will read this?
Which question, ma'am?
Ma'am, which question?
This 4 number. I have written here 4 number. Last number 367.
Okay. 306, 10, 7 ones.
So this is, what is the number now?
3.
367.
Yes, so this is 367. You should know how to read this. Vineet, what is the last number now? We have to see what is the digit in hundreds place. We have to see what is the digit in tens place, and then we have to see what is the digit in ones place. Okay, Vineet?
Okay, ma'am.
So what do we do? Look here. Here 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, and 3 is in hundreds place. We always go with ones, tens, and hundred like this. So 3 is in hundreds place, so we will say 300. Now we will read the number in tens place and ones place together. So we will read the 6, 7 together. 6, 7 is 67. So the number is 367. What is the number, Vineet?
367.
The number will be 367.
7.
Yeah. Okay, now I'll write here few more numbers. First, I think I should erase this. Okay. Tanvishree, you read this number. I have written here 245. How you will read this?
245.
Yes, this will be 245. Okay. Yes, Hayati, read this next number 654.
654. 654.
Very good. So this will be 654. Very good. Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm writing here one number. Please read this. 178. How you will read it?
178.
Very good. That's the correct answer. It is 178.
205.
Brinda,
Yes, ma'am.
read this number 567.
567. 570.
I'm sorry, 67.
7 is how much? You read 67 as?
67.
Yes, you read 67 as 67. So what is the number?
67.
Read complete. 567 is?
500
And?
567.
Yeah, so this is 567. I hope now you all know how to read these numbers. Okay. Now, what do we have to do is, we have to look at the 3-digit number. Fine. We have to look at the 3-digit number, and then we have to identify ones, tens, and hundreds place first. Okay, and you all, I hope till now, you all understood like how to identify the place. Now, according to the first question, we have to write 3 at hundreds place. H stands for hundreds, T stands for tens, and O stands for ones. Okay. Sai Joshit, O stands for what? Sai Joshit. Sai Joshit, what was that? Okay, tell me. O stands for what? You were not there. You people are not at all sitting at one place, roaming here and there. Sai Ritvik, you tell me. O stands for?
Ones.
T stands for?
Tens.
H stands for?
100.
Yes. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for hundreds. Okay. Now, according to the question, 3 should be at hundreds place. So, below this H, we will write here 3. Why we are writing here 3? Because in question, it was mentioned clearly, we have to write 3 at hundreds place. So, we are writing here 3. Okay. Now, they have not mentioned that what should be the number in tens place. And remember one more thing, that we have to use these 3 digits which is given. We have here 2, 3 and 4. So we will be using these 3 digits only. Now in tens place, we can write here either 2 or 4. So let us say we are writing here 2 first. Okay, so we are writing here 2 in tens place. Now which number is left? Only 4 is left. So we will write that 4 in ones place. Okay, fine. Now we will move to next. Again, according to the question, 3 should be at hundreds place. So at hundreds place, we will write here 3. Now what we will do, in the previous one, we wrote 2 at tens place. So what we will do, we will interchange position of 2 and 4 here. This time we will write 4 at hundreds place and 2 at ones place. Okay. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? What we did, first of all, we wrote 3 at hundreds place because in question it was mentioned that we have to write 3 at hundreds place. Okay. After that, what we'll do, we have to write the digits at tens and ones place. So we are left with 2 digits here, 2 and 4. So we can write either 2 at tens place or 4 at ones place. So what we did, first of all, we write 2 at tens place. Then 4 was left, so we wrote that 4 at ones place. Now in the next one, what we did, we just interchanged the position of 2 and 4. Okay, done? Okay, now we'll move on to second bit. Mayuri, please read second bit. What is the question?
2 at tens place.
2 at tens place. This means according to the question, we have to write 2 at tens place. Right? Mayuri, this T stands for what?
T stands for 10.
Very good. T stands for tens, children. So we will write 2 here at tens place. So we will write here 2. Sorry, I did not write that in a proper way. Yeah, so we will write here 2 at tens place. Okay, here also and in the next one also 2 at tens place. Okay, fine. Yes, Ketan?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you didn't ask me question.
Ketan, I have asked you question and this is not the right way. If you will tell like this, then I won't ask.
Okay, ma'am, I will not ask.
Yeah, and I've already asked you. Now, fine. So according to the question, 2 is at tens place, right? And nobody will use this raise hand option just to say that, ma'am, you didn't ask me. Otherwise, I will not ask. And moreover, I have already asked you, Ketan. Fine. Now this 2 is at tens place and you all need to wait for your turn. But they have not mentioned where we should write 3 and where we should write 4. So what we can do is we can write 3 at hundreds place and 4 at ones place. Okay, done? Okay. Now what we will do? We will interchange position of 3 and 4. In the next one, we will write 4 at hundreds place and 3 at ones place. Okay. What we did, first of all, we wrote 2 at tens place. Then we were left with 3 and 4. We can write 3 at, we can write either of the two numbers at hundreds place. So what we did, we write 3 at hundreds place and we wrote 4 at hundreds place. And in the next one, we interchange the position of 3 and 4. Okay. Done. Now, before we'll start third bit, we will select the biggest number here. Fine. Now, what we have to do is, like in the first bit, we got two numbers. We got 2 numbers in the first bit. Bhavashrit, please unmute yourself and tell me
Yes,
what are the 2 numbers which we got in first bit?
The first bit 2 numbers.
Yeah. Read them. 3 to 4 is
3 to 4.
how you will read 3 to 4?
304.
304 or is it 324?
324.
Okay. So the first number is 324. As you all can see, it's there in the first bit. Okay. And next number is 342. How you will read 342?
334.
That is 342. How you will read?
342. 342.
Very good. So the next number is 342. Now children, look at your screen. I will tell you how to compare the numbers. Look at your screen. Okay, so the first number is 324. Yes. And the next number is, wait, no. Wait, I'll tell you this in next. I think I have to tell here only. Okay. So the first number is 324 and the next number is 342. These are the 2 numbers which we got in first bit, right? Now what we will do, we will write here ones, tens and hundreds first. Okay. This is just to explain you, no need to write this again. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, I wrote here ones, tens and hundreds. No need to write this again. Just keep on looking at your screen. Now, whenever, according to the question, we have to take the greatest number. So what we will do, we have to compare the numbers here. We always start comparing the number at hundreds place first. So if I talk about number 324 at hundreds place, I have 3 here. And here in 342 at hundreds place, I have 3 here again. Now, both the numbers are same. 3 and 3. At hundreds place, if you will see, you can see at both the places we have 3. So we cannot compare the numbers. We need, please sit down at one place. If you will look at both the numbers carefully, you will find out that at hundreds place, we have 3 here. So we cannot compare the numbers. We cannot say which number is bigger. Now what we will do, we will move to tens place. We will move to tens place. So in 324 at tens place, we have 2. And in 342 at tens place, we have 4. Mana, you tell me which is bigger, 2 or 4?
4.
Yes. Children, 4 is bigger. What we will do, first of all, we will compare the number at hundreds place. At hundreds place, both the numbers are 3. So we cannot say anything which number is bigger or which number is smaller. So what we'll do, we will move on to tens place. Now at tens place, we have 2 and 4. And we know that 4 is always greater than 2. So this means 342 is greater than 324. So we will put our tick on second number, that is 342. Yes, children, now put our tick on 342 quickly. You will put a tick on second number, that is 342. So put a tick on number 342. Okay. Now we will move on to second bit. Tarini, please read next 2 numbers. In second bit, what are the numbers we got?
Which second bit?
Second bit. Numbers are 3 to 4 and 4 to 3. How you will read 3 to 4? And what is the first number?
4.
Hmm?
No, 2.
I'm talking about second bit. In second bit, we have two numbers. First one is 3, 2, 4. Next is 4, 2, 3. First, you tell me how you will read 3, 2, 4. 300 and
324.
yeah. And next number is
423.
yes. So first number is 324 and next number is 423. Now, what we have to do, we have to put our tick at the greatest number. Now, to compare the 3-digit number, we always start comparing the numbers at hundreds place first. So, Tarini, tell me what are the numbers at hundreds place? Below H.
H.
Miss, she wrote 423 first and 324 next. That's why.
Okay, no issues. Okay, tell me, Tarini, what are the numbers at hundreds place?
4,
4 and
3.
very good. So the number at hundreds place are 3 and 4. So what, since both these numbers are different, so we can compare them, right? So now you tell me, Tarini, which number is bigger? 3 is bigger or 4 is bigger?
4.
4. Yes, that's the correct answer. 4 is always bigger than 3. So this means that 423 is bigger than 324. So we will put our tick on number 423. Yes, children, we always start comparing the number at hundreds place first. And if the digits are same at hundreds place, then we will move on to tens place. Okay. I hope you all have done your work till here. So I am clearing all this and I'll scroll my screen and I'll move to next question. Okay. Now next one. Ashwat Chakravarti, please read next question. Ashwat, am I audible to you? I cannot hear anything. Veda,
Ma'am,
read third question. Ashwat, I'm unable to hear anything. Yeah, Veda.
4 at 1 place.
Yes, so the question is 4 at ones place. Veda, tell me this O stands for what?
Ones.
Very good. So this O stands for ones. So we will write 4 here below this O. Is it right, Veda?
Yes.
Yes. So children, first of all, quickly write 4 at ones place. Okay, fine. Advait Gujja, am I audible to you? Advait Gujja. Again, he is not there. Yesterday also he was not there. Hanvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hanvit, we wrote 4 at ones place in the last bit. Now you tell me what shall I write here at hundreds place? Two numbers are left, 2 and 3. What shall I write here? See, I can write either of the two numbers at hundreds place. I can either write here 2, I can either write here 3. Either 2 or 3. Yeah.
2.
Okay, so I'm writing here 2 at hundreds place. What shall I write in tens place?
3.
Very good. So I'll write here 3. Now, what shall I write there in the next box at hundreds place? See, we already wrote 2 at hundreds place. Now, this time we will write which number at hundreds place?
What, ma'am?
Now, tell me what shall I write in the next box at hundreds place? We already wrote 2. Yeah, we already wrote 2 in the first answer. So this time we'll write 3 here at 100's place. And what we'll write in 10th place, Hanvit?
2.
Very good. So we'll write here 2. Okay. Now, Sudhamsh, are you there? Sudhamsh?
Yeah.
Finally, you are there. Okay. Sudhamsh, now we have to put our tick at the greatest number. Can you tell me what are the numbers at 100 place? Sudhamsh?
Yeah.
Sudhamsh, okay. Before that, read these numbers. How you will read 2, 3, 4? 2, 3, 4 is
2, 4,
200.
200,
Then 3, 4 is?
34.
Yeah. So the first number is 234. Very good. And what will be the next number? How you will read 3 to 4? What is the number?
320.
Yeah, 300 and? Very good. Try 324. Yes, Sudhamsh, 24 is? Sudhamsh.
24.
So what will be the number? 324. How you will read it?
24.
324. Okay. Now we have to see what are the digits at 100 place. Sudhamsh, in number 234, what is the digit at 100's place? Below this H, what is written? What is the number below this H?
2.
Very good. And what is the number at 100's place in 324? Below this H.
3.
Very good. So the number in, So the digit at 100's place is 2 if we talk about number 234. And the digit at 100's place is 3 if we talk about number 324. Now, Sudhamsh, you tell me which is bigger. 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger?
3.
Very good. So this means the number 324 is the greatest number. So we will put our tick on 324. We'll put a tick on 324. Okay? Is this clear to everyone? Or is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Okay, fine. So what I'll do is, today I'll be giving you